Hello and welcome. Today we are playing a building full of cats. This is a game where we look for cats. Let's get started. I see a cat in the lamp here in the light fixture in the ceiling. There's a cat behind the curtain. There's a cat on the shelf. There's a cat here in the tea kettle, in the teapot. A cat on this dresser. A cat behind the handle of this pitcher. There's a cat behind the plant. A cat in the umbrella holder. Holds umbrellas. There's a cat behind the bulletin board. And a cat climbing on this dresser. The cat is trying to get up here on top of the dresser. There's a cat under the dresser. Oh look, there's a bowl of cat food there. I wonder. Nope, that does nothing. Okay, there's a cat sleeping on the rug. And a cat here. There's some kind of box that is maybe a cat toy, like a place for the cats to play. And there's a cat right here where the corner of this box is. There's a cat inside the slipper. A cat between the leg of this, I don't know what this is. Maybe some kind of dresser, or it looks like in the kitchen. This is in the kitchen because there's a teapot, a blender, things from the kitchen. This is the leg of the like the cabinet and this box here. So the cat is in between. All right, move over. Oh, is that a cat there hiding? I think there's a cat hiding behind the leg of this this dresser. Okay, what else? We have a cat underneath the tablecloth. A cat sleeping in the seat of this chair. A cat behind the yarn balls. This is Grandma's knitting right here. Grandma's going to knit. There's a cat on the clock, on the grandfather clock. A cat inside the pan. A cat in the sink. A cat on the stove. A cat up here on the shelf behind the containers. Okay, oh look, there's a cat hanging off of the cuckoo clock. The cuckoo clock. There's a cat in the picture frame. A cat on this dresser. Geez, how many dressers does Grandma have? Okay, a cat underneath the dresser. Okay, and there are 21 cats remaining here. So we need to look closer. I not zoom in or out. Oh, look, I can open the cabinet. I clicked here and the cabinet door opened. The cat inside the cabinet. Okay, so now I need to be looking inside things. Oh, there is a cat inside the drawer. These are the cats that are hidden inside of things are green, and the cats that are visible, that are just outside, are yellow. Okay, so I'm just going to click around, click on different things, see if anything opens. Okay, the gramophone for playing records, playing music, old-fashioned gramophone. Okay. Kind of clicking around. Oh, there's a cat inside the grandfather clock, right next to the pendulum. And there's also a cat behind the grandfather clock. So there's a cat on top of the grandfather clock, inside the grandfather clock, and behind the grandfather clock. Oh, disappeared. Where'd he go? The cat disappeared. You see that? Clicked on him and he vanished. Where did he go? Oh, there's a little tiny cat. A little tiny cat on the edge of the rug. Okay, where else? Where else are there cats? We are 19 cats remaining and 8 hidden cats. What if there's a cat in the vent here? The air vent. No. Ah, okay. I can also change rooms. I can go into a different room. And so this is the bathroom. There's a cat in the bidet. There's a cat in the bathtub. There's a cat here on the shelf. A cat hiding behind the shelf, in between the shelf and the curtain. There's a cat. Oh, that's a very tiny cat hiding behind this mirror. Another cat on the shelf. A cat behind this mirror, in between the mirror and the bathtub. A cat behind the sink, inside a box. And this one is behind the sink on the other side of the sink. So this cat's on the left side of the sink, and this cat is on the right side of the sink. There's a cat down here near the toilet brush. The brush for cleaning the toilet. Okay, there's a cat up here on the wall. And anything else? Oh, you know what? Is there a cat in the toilet? Yep. There's a cat in the tank of the toilet. This is the part that holds the clean water. And then you flush it. You flush the toilet and the tank empties and goes into the bowl. So there's a cat that's hidden in the tank. We have maybe a cat in this air vent up here, or maybe behind the curtain. Oh, yes, there is one right there behind the curtain. Okay, what else? Where else might there be a cat? Okay, I'm going to go back. Any other places where cats might be hiding? Oh, there's a cat up here on the shelf that I missed earlier. I didn't see him earlier. Oh, there's a cat there hiding. You see, ear is poking out from behind this book, back behind the lamp. Okay, we have 5 cats remaining. Okay. Ah, there's a cat underneath. We can just see the legs and the tail of the cat. Oh, but he disappeared again. Okay. That cat's difficult to catch. He doesn't want to be found. Okay, what other cats are there? This is getting difficult now because there's 5 remaining. I think we found all the easy cats. All the easy cats are found already. Let's keep looking. Oh, there's a cat on the calendar. Do you see that? There's a cat right there on the calendar. Very, very tiny cat that's almost microscopic. Oh, there was a cat behind the window. I clicked on the window and the window opened and there was a cat there. Okay, what else? Another cat in the drawer. else? Cats in these drawers? Oh, there's 2 cats in this drawer. They were just hanging out in the drawer. Okay, we are down to 4 cats, and 3 of them are hidden. Okay, I'm just looking in things that where cats might be. Is there a cat in the blender? I hope not. Not a very good place for a cat. Oops, I went out. Okay, now I'm back in. Okay, where is the remaining cat? Or cats? Maybe they are very, very small, like the one on the calendar. Oh, is that a cat right there? Do I see a tail? No. Where could the cat be? I have no idea. I'm going to go back into the other room. See here into the bathroom. Maybe there are like a cabinet there. Oh, I see one right there behind the plant. Okay, we are down to 3, and I think the remaining 3 cats are hidden. That means, there's we go. So they are in the medicine cabinet. The medicine cabinet. 2 of, okay, so these are separate counters. Separate counters. So there are still 3 cats that are not hidden, and 1 cat that is hidden. 1 hidden cat and 3 cats that are out in the open. Okay, so let's keep looking. 3 cats in the slippers? No. Still think there could be a cat in the toilet bowl, but I guess not. Cat behind the pitcher? Nope. Cat in the plant? Alright, let's go back to the other room, to the main room. Where else could there be a cat? Alright, let's see here. We have checked this area. I'm just going to scan up and down for cats. Almost looks like it could be the tail of a cat, but I think if I click this it will... Okay, well it doesn't take me out, so... I do not know where there could be another cat. Be hiding on the shelf somewhere. Hiding inside a container. This apartment is very messy. There's lots of stuff everywhere, lots of junk everywhere. And these cats blend in. They're very difficult to see because they blend in with the environment. They are the same color as the environment. They're very camouflaged. I do not see any other cats.
5 years later.
Come out wherever you are. This is a phrase we use when playing hide and go seek with our friends. Ah, there's one right there. Oh, he disappeared. Where'd he go? Oh, there was a cat behind the radio, and this cat is singing. The cat is singing a song. Okay, so we found all of the hidden cats. Now, where is the cat that ran away?
5 years later.
All right, so there are 3 cats remaining, and try as I might, I cannot find these cats. They are very, very well hidden. So, I'm going to show you all of the cats I've found, and if you see the cat that I am missing, or the 3 cats that I am missing, let me know in the comments, and next time I will click them and we can continue. So I appreciate your help if you can help me find these 3 missing cats. Thank you and see you next time.